Hi there. So I ran into the same problem you did just a couple years ago when I was learning a fingerstyle song. So mainly the problem of string noise when you lift your fingers. Something like that. What I learned is that I need to pay attention to how I release the strings with my left hand. So instead of just lifting it, what I do is I pluck and then I lift my finger just a little bit until the noise stops, but the finger is still on the string, and then I lift up gently. So I started doing that really slowly at first, and then eventually it just becomes like, you know, you gain the muscle memory and it just becomes how you release the string. So instead of it should sound more like this. It's kind of like, you know, if you've learned to drive a standard car, there's like that sweet spot on the clutch that you have to get to before you can push your foot on the gas. So it's kind of like that. There's a sweet spot here where you're going to pause just for a millisecond before releasing it gently. And the more you do it, the faster you'll get and the smoother it'll sound. So see if that helps. Bye.